Mic drop. I want to share with you some takeaways that I had in April that I took away from. I was in two meetings over in April with 100 plus real estate brokers and leaders, two different times. And I took away some things from them, and then I took away a lot from the leaders that I've talked to in the month of April that I want to share with you. There was a common theme. One is a lot are leading from assumptions versus leading from certainty. They assume that people are needing these kind of things. They're finding their agents are in learned helplessness through the last 4 or 5 years. So they're pushing them around, getting out of their comfort zone and doing some things. And what I'm finding with a lot of the teams and the agents and the brokers that I'm working with is that they're doing everything they're supposed to be doing. But here's the difference. They're doing everything they're supposed to be doing consistently, and they're doing a little bit more. That little bit more, that 1 degree, just stepping for that one thing, making one more phone call, asking one more question at a listing presentation or a closing, pushing just a little bit more, pushing for one more appointment. Pushing is the thing that's taking them to the next level. That is the tipping point. Are you leading from assumptions, or are you leading from certainty? Or are you finding yourself just doing the bare minimum, or are you out there pushing daily to do the bare minimum plus a little bit more and doing it consistently? If you are, you're winning. Mic drop.